Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Matic Polygon wallet address to Trust Wallet. So, in order to get the Polygon Matic's wallet address, what you need to do is you need to simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile app and then log into your account. Now here, most probably on the homepage, you can find your Polygon Matic coin, but if you are not able to find it on the homepage, then in order to add it on the homepage, you need to tap on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to use the search bar, and here you need to search for Matic. Now once you have found Matic, you just have to tap on the toggle button right next to it, and once it is enabled successfully, it simply means that you have added it on the homepage. Now if you tap on it, you will be able to get the send and receive option. In order to find the Polygon Matic's wallet address, you just have to simply tap on the receive button, and then you will be able to find the deposit address as well as the QR code associated with it, which you can use in order to deposit your Matic into the Trust Wallet app. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.